Assalamu alaikum viewers, I am Muhammad Asad Khan and this is my Excel lesson number 20 regarding linking Excel worksheet with PowerPoint presentation. So again coming to the data sheet. So I am using the same data sheet which I used in my previous session number 19 and I have also included a chart into this sheet so that you could have double benefit out of this session, linking both the table with the PowerPoint presentation and as well as the chart. So first I will try to link the table in the PowerPoint presentation. So what we will do, we will basically copy this table, not the whole table. There are 25 records into this table, but I will try to copy only 12 records, initial 12 records for the ease of the view. You can see that easily. So I basically open the PowerPoint file and now I would basically include new slide into this. See at the left bottom, at the left top, you can see there is a icon in the ribbon that says new slide. So click it and you can first add the title slide into it, and you can basically add your title into this PowerPoint presentation here. And the second slide is you can enter title and content. So in content, you can basically add in title, you can write salary of the staff, salary of the staff for FY 2023-24 and presented by, I will write my name, Muhammad Asad Khan. So this is the first slide. It's very easy. Go on the second slide, you can basically bold it. The same short keys you used all over in Word, Excel, the same keys. Microsoft uses the same key, short keys everywhere else. So Control B, see, it has been bold, and Control Shift uh, full stop button, and see, it has been bold. The font has increased. So similarly, you can increase the font of this second box. So coming to this second and save it, Control S, short key for the save. So click here and write salary, just salary. You can write anything, but I'm basically just to tell you salary. So what you can do is Alt tab, go to the previous sheet. It's already basically it's the copy function, the copy command is in process. See, it's basically rotating. This means that the copy command is in progress. So here, click here and look, this I want to tell you that in Word you have you have the option of pasting the link with format and the source file, but here you have embedded. One option is embedded, one is first is use destination style, other one is keep source formatting, so you are basically not linking it with it. Third one is embedded, fourth is picture, again it's not embedded, and fifth one is a text. So we will come to the embedded, click it, so it's in front of you. The table has appeared. Drag it from left and right side, yes, and drag it from the top side and the bottom side, so it has fit itself perfectly into that box. So now the way the word has behaved, this basically connection would not be like that. If you double click it, it would ask the Excel here, see, it's blinking. That means a message is appearing here which is saying that data connections have been blocked. If you choose to enable data connections, your computer may no longer be secure. Do not enable this content unless you trust the source of this file. Since you have developed both the files, you have basically created both the files, Excel and PowerPoint. So you basically trust, your trust on the source is 100%, because you are the basically source, you are the creator. So enable it. Otherwise, they believe that the PowerPoint believe that it is some sort of virus which is trying to connect with you. So click here. If you want to change it, you can basically write anything. Say 50,000, and press enter, and press outside of this box like here. Add this slide anywhere and go back to the PowerPoint. See 50,000. But if you go back to the Excel sheet, and here is 55,000, and write 40,000. But see, here it's not changed. The value is the same. So this is basically embedded file. You can double click it and change the values here, but you cannot change the values there in the values you change in Excel. These values will not automatically be changed here. The function of PowerPoint is quite different. PowerPoint slide is basically used as a slide. So the purpose of the PowerPoint is to keep all the files within the PowerPoint. The only option here is basically is to, I will insert another new slide here, and I will basically add a link here. So that's the option which offers you to open the link. So I will open the link. Link is Excel lesson number 19, and Excel lesson number 19 is somewhere here. Yes, it's here. Yes, this is 20, sorry, not 19. I am basically moving on 20. Yes, 20. I double clicked it. So the link has been created. So if you basically, there are two options. You can go to the slideshow. See, I am moving basically, moving to the right bottom of this slide, and there is an option of slideshow. It's appearing, pop-up messages appearing. If I click it, so it's basically the slideshow. So if you move on this, you can, if you click it, so you directly move on this sheet. So there's only one option. You can show your data here through this link, but again, the PowerPoint will not behave, surely not behave like like the Word document. In Word you can basically have the live option. If you live change the data in Excel, the data may automatically be changed in Word, but here it would not. And if I paste, I would use another sheet. Now coming to the chart, if I take it from here and copy it and Control C copy, and if I paste it here, again right mouse button, I click the right mouse button. So use destination theme and link data, and link data, and the second is keep source formatting and link data. So use destination theme and link data. I am clicking this option, and if I go there and if I click say on first on 10,000, see here in the source file, the graph has changed. See, the bar chart has changed. The first bar has reduced considerably to 10,000 from 50,000. So let's check. Has it changed there? In the PowerPoint? Yes. So that's the beauty of this PowerPoint, that it's not accepting the table as a live link, but yes, it's accepting this uh, chart as a live link. If you change values there, the values would be changed here. So it's quite a thing to know. I would say that it accept the live link like Word here regarding the charts, but it won't accept the link regarding tables, live link with tables. So probably there's some mystery, and that mystery could only be uh, explained by the PowerPoint team, MS PowerPoint team who have developed it. And if I change, let's check some other value. If I change 80,000 to 40,000, so it has been changed here to 40,000, say 50,000 range. It's lower than that, and it's changed here. See, 40,000. So it's a live link. So today I would basically keep my session short and to the point, to the point to conclude, to the point to be concluded here. I think it's quite amazing, and we need to practice it. And again, my sheet, complimentary sheet, would be there in description, and kindly download it, and kindly take care of yourself, and take care of your loved ones, and please like, subscribe, and share my channel, and please also let others to get benefit out of it. And thank you very much for watching. Thank you.